Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to remove levels from your Fibonacci retracement in cTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your cTrader. Then let's add a Fibonacci. Go to this icon and choose Fibonacci retracement. Click on it and let's draw our Fibonacci like this, for example. Now let's say I want to remove this level, the 88.6. So all you have to do is go to this line here with your cursor, right click, then click on settings here. Now go and choose that level, for example 88.6. All you have to do is uncheck it like this. Make sure you click on set as default and click on OK. As you can see, that level has been removed. Now let's remove this Fibonacci and let's add another one to see if that level has been removed completely. Okay, and as you can see, the level isn't here. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.